Hey, Nathan.
Hey, Kevin.
So it looks like you got Michael's email, Michael from Rhode Island, who's got that staircase pretty beat up. The finish has been worn off, and they're clearly ready to be redone.
They are. They're in desperate need of repair. First thing, the finish is very important on a stair tread. You really want to protect that wood. Once you break through it, water, dirt gets into the grain, tough to fix them.
Yeah.
But this is a cutaway of a modern stair tread. This is solid nosing, veneered top and bottom, but it still has a solid oak core to it. So you need to be careful when you're doing a lot of sanding.
Don't sand through that. And I think one of the reasons why people don't want to take on this project is because the sanding is fussy, not just for that reason, but you got to go against all of the edges and sometimes around the balustrade spindles.
A lot of tight points.
Yeah, so Michael wants to know, can he do it himself?
Definitely, definitely. Any homeowner can do it. I got a couple tricks to show them how.
Let's see it.
First, I need to strip it down to bare wood.
Using what grit?
I'm going to start with an 80. In a lot of older homes, you're going to have a lot of built-up poly inside the corners. I'm lightly going to use a scraper to pull that away. In between passes, I like to grab the vacuum and vacuum up all the dust and debris.
And how many different grits are you going to use?
I'm just going to use an 80 and a 120.
That's it, huh?
Yeah, these are hard-working stairs. You know, they're going to get beat up. They're not a piece of furniture. Now we're ready to add the polyurethane to the tread. But if you want to, this would be a great time before you do to paint your risers or your scotia, or even swap the scotia out for some oak if that's your style.
Mm-hmm. And you don't need the tape.
I got a pretty good brush here and a pretty steady hand, so if you wanted to, you could tape off the edges. If the homeowner wanted to, they could actually change the color of the tread by applying some stain, but you really got to do a good job getting rid of all that old polyurethane. If you don't, that stain won't take to the tread.
And then you're going to see it, right? It's just not going to be even.
Yeah, it's not going to look clean. And when applying the polyurethane, it's nice to go with the grain and just do nice even strokes. And when you finish the tread off, do one nice long passing stroke with the grain.
Looking pretty good. So how many coats?
I'm going to do 3 coats. I'm going to let this dry for a couple hours. I'll come in, I'll sand it, tack cloth it, apply another coat of poly, repeat the process, and it's all set.
All right. Well, I think Michael's got everything he needs, right? He can pull this off, can't he?
Absolutely.
All right. Nice job, man.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.